Welcome back. I just wanted to go over a few things that I've done to help myself declutter my closet. Oh my gosh, and I feel so much better. I go in there and I actually put my pajamas back in my drawer where they go. I hang up the clothes after I'm done wearing them. So these are the 3 things that I heard and that I've implemented, and it works great. Okay, so these are the #1 reasons that you guys keep stuff in your closet. Number 1, someone gave it to you and you feel bad. You guys, if you're not ever gonna wear it and they're never gonna see it, they're never gonna know it's in your closet or not. So get rid of it, okay? Number 2, you spent a lot of money on it, so you don't wanna get rid of it. Okay, great, so what, the pile of money and that piece of clothing is just sitting in your closet? No, you guys, get rid of it or give it to someone. If you feel bad because you spent a lot of money on it, think of someone that could use that item and give it to them. Now you're doing something nice for someone else, right? Right. Okay, and number 3 is you have an emotional attachment to it. You think, oh, but I wore this on our first day or that. You guys, it's not gonna do any good sitting in your closet. And if you're that attached to it, cut a piece of it out, stick it in your photo album or something, some scrapbooks so that you can remember it. But honestly, you guys, if clothes are sitting in your closet for more than a year and you haven't worn them, then it's time to get rid of them. I've heard about turning your hangers around backwards once you wear something so then at the end of the year, you know if you've worn it or not. Haven't done it, not really my deal. What else have I heard? I've heard people doing all different types of things to keep track. If you guys have any good ideas, feel free to comment below. I would love to know them. But I recently cleaned out my closet and I actually did it 3 times in a row. Once I thought I was done, I did it again and I kept getting more stuff out because I realized those 3 things are so crucial and it really helps you clean out your closet and know what you have and what you don't have. I hope this tip helped. And like I said, if you know any other great ideas, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I would love to know. Thanks guys. Bye.